nice to be on here right now. I don't want to go too far, baby, because if it takes off with us on here, we're screwed. Look how high up we are. Look, there's Mama's car way down there. Look, we got stairs. Woo! We're on the upper level right now. Do you want to ride on one of these? Look, see over there, they got tables. And look, there's the airplanes right over there. Oh, where'd it go? We were just watching the airplanes right behind us. There's the airport right there. That way. Come here, baby. You can explore more. Careful. Lady said this train had an accident or something. There's the train tracks. Train tracks.
Are we going?
No, we're not going. We don't have tickets.
We're going.
Look, do you want to take a train back home? Look, you can have a free one. Here. That's the train that we're on right now. You can keep that. Chugga, 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 chugga. Choo, choo.
Sit
Down right there.
Do it.
Okay, I'll sit down.
We going?
Choo, choo. Boo, 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 boo.
We going?
No, we're not going. This train's broken down.
Go to that
Mommy and Grandma went on the train with my grandma one time, and we slept on the train. We went all night long to Oregon,
I want to go.
and it was on those seats that had tables or something. You fold it or whatever, and it makes a little bed. Choo-choo!
We going?
Just praying this thing doesn't just start going with us on it.
We going?
And then another up there. That part's locked. Is that like first class or something? Oh yeah, I think so. Look it over here, Ben. Those are the bigger chairs.
I'll go.
No, I can't open it, buddy. See these? I don't know how we. Oh yeah, see. Hey. Oh no, that's how to emergency remove the windows.
We got the windows. Oh, good job.
Huh.
We going?
Riders get discounted LA Fair
We
tickets.
going? We going? We going?
We going? We going?
We going?
We saw airplanes and trains in one day.
We go. The train going?
We can pretend that it is.
It is.
They're working on it right now. This train had a little accident. They keep pumping the brakes though, and it's freaking me out. I really don't want to be stuck on here and they start going to God knows where. Is everybody else still by the door? The door's still open?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just check. They keep going shh, shh, and it's freaking me out. That's so cool, dude. You got to hang on the train?
Yes.
You want to go walk outside of it and go in the other part again? Or wherever you may roam. Here, look. Go by the exit. See, that's the door. We can go that way and go in the other door again. Come on. You can go in again. No, it's okay. It's not going to be loud again like that. Look at the big train. Okay, over here. That one's the one we were just in. Go over here, this one. Ding, 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 ding. Look, see the ding, 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 ding. That's where it connects. Right here. Did we go in this one yet? Step up, careful. If these people start going. Oh, look, a bike. Where are you going, Boomer? Oh, look, there's a mirror. You see yourself? Oh, these are the big seats, too. Looks like an airplane. This is what an airplane looks like on the inside. Exactly, almost. This is what an airplane looks like. Except we flying.
She's only me. We going?
No.
Why?
We will very soon, I promise. I'll buy us some train tickets, okay?
And go on tunnel.
Yeah. You want to take a train ride somewhere?
Yeah.
I'll buy us some train tickets. It's like this weekend, okay?
Bye.
Maybe we can even ride the train at night. That's more fun.
At night,
You go to the tunnel at night? That'd be pretty.
there are plane tracks.
Yeah, just like train trackers, yeah.
And
I have to talk like this.
and kids go on plane.
Hey, folks. Vinny on the train. Vinny on the Metrolink. At Bob Hope Airport.
We
Hope they're not
going.
tracking this train because they'd lose it. I think it already passed. Look, see, every chair has a number. We like the train. We want to go on the train. Trains go fast. Oh, I hear another airplane. These seats are actually comfy. No, don't touch the plug. Vinny, don't touch that. It'll electrocute you. It'll psst.
Why?
Because it's an outlet. It'll hurt.
Why?
I'm reading your train schedule.
Listen.
Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Grandma. Wave it to the phone, boy. Vinny's first time on the train. We're not going anywhere, but we're on it. You got to see the inside of the train. That's so cool. You like it?
Yes.
I love you.
Oh, please.
No, it's not gonna go yet. Uh-oh, get your booklet.
We going? Now I think I go slow. Go slowly.
No, it's gonna go fast, but we're not going there. This train's broken down. It's on, but it's broken. All those people out there had to get off of it. Oh, we might be able to go on this side. Okay. It's making noises. Come on, come here. If this door shuts on me, I'm gonna be really freaked out. Say hi, wave to mommy. Look. Hi, on the choo-choo.
I'll go.
I'll help you.
I'll go.
It's not going anywhere, bud. It's broken down. See, that's the engine over there. They're trying to fix it. Whoa, really tall choo-choo. And back on we go. Skip the menu. Oh, we're up high now. My phone's about to die. And look, there's airplanes going right over our heads, and we're in the choo-choo.
She don't let me wish.
I'm walking over here. Oh, see, look, all those people are leaving. They gotta go catch another train. They're going to a different station. Careful. Hold my hand. You don't want to get off, do you? I'm just uneasy because I can't see the doors from here, bud, and I don't know if it's going to leave.
Go with me. Go with you.
Oh, okay, all right, bossy. Cover your mouth.
Go.
Okay, smile.
Please. Go bus.
Bus.
Look. Where's that cuckoo at?
What? We're on the choo-choo, silly boy.
Where's that cuckoo at?
Look how big the choo-choos are.
What's that do?
I don't know. Oh, and there's an airplane. Look, right there. Above your head. Look, come here. Don't fall down. Don't fall down. Oh, there it goes. Whoa! Airplane. Oh, it's turning. Look. Airplane and choo-choo. Boom.